Hi guys, I'm Dr. Washington from The Brace Place, and today I'm going to tell you how you can take pictures at home. So oftentimes we'll ask you guys to take pictures so we can conduct virtual consults or virtual visits for you. And I'm going to show you how you can take the most common pictures at home. Okay, so the first pictures that we usually will request are these three that you see right here on this page. Okay, we're going to talk about how you can take all three of those pictures at home with your regular camera or your regular phone. So the first picture we're going to talk about is this lower picture here. So to take this lower picture, the few keys that you really want to make sure that you get is that you want to try to get all your bottom teeth if possible, and also try to make sure that your lips and tongue are out of the picture. So a lot of times you may need to hold your lips or hold your cheeks to get this picture. So just kind of be cognizant of that when you take your pictures. The same thing for the top one. You just want to make sure that your tongue is not here. And then also you might have to hold up your top lip just like this, okay? Just to get that top lip out of the picture. So all you're going to do is open wide just like this, and then have your camera and then take your picture. Okay, now if you have someone at home that can take those pictures for you, it's ideal, just because they can kind of get it better while you hold your lips and cheeks out the way. But these are the pictures. They're the top and the bottom ones, and the biggest thing again is just making sure that your lips and cheeks are out of the way. So use your fingers or some spoons to get that done. Now on this picture right here in the center, the best way that you're going to do that is really using your fingers. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of show you with my fingers how we would do that. So I would take my two fingers, one finger or a spoon, and just go like this and snap. Okay, so you want to take that picture again, make sure your lips and cheeks are out the way. So when you do it, go like this, and then make sure that you can see everything in that picture. Okay, if you don't want to use your fingers, again, like I said, you could use spoons or anything that you have in your house. Okay, now when you take this picture, one problem that a lot of people have is that they're not biting down on their back teeth. So a lot of times when people take the picture, they'll take it and they go like this, and their teeth aren't positioned together, and we'll have to ask you to retake the picture. So just make sure that your teeth are together when you take the picture. Now, some other pictures that we will often have you take are these pictures here that you see on the side as well, okay? Now, the biggest thing that you want to get for these pictures is, again, you will probably need to move your lips and your cheeks out the way for those pictures as well. Now, I know in this picture we got really far back. I don't expect you guys at home to get as far back. Some of you can, but if you can't, that's okay. Just try to make sure, again, that you're biting, because that's the biggest reason now we have to ask people to retake the pictures, or that they're not biting down in those pictures. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to show you kind of how you can use your lips and cheeks to take that picture, and again, make sure you're biting. And also sometimes people will have a tendency to move their teeth forward too, like this. So you don't want to do that also in the picture. So again, make sure it's focused. You could do the left and the right. We usually will ask you for the left and the right in those pictures. And I'm just going to kind of show you real quick. I'm going to take my finger just on one side and go like this. Okay, not like this, like that. So like this. Okay, so again, make sure you're not forward, and make sure you're biting down. And those are the biggest things. Have a great day. Thank you.